The discussion today is on topic challenges of retirement planning. We all know that we are going to retire one day. We save for it. We are aware about it. But how many of us can genuinely say that we have planned for it? So, retirement planning is a topic which requires a serious deliberation. Retirement planning is all about managing financial uncertainties. According to a survey, 1 in 10 in India are only basically have planned for their retirement in the form of some rental income or in the form of some pension. Remaining 90% remain unplanned, are actually they are staring at a retirement gap. The dynamics of retirement planning have changed dramatically. In the good old days, maybe around 70s and 80s, in a middle class family, a person would start working at the age of 21. They would continue to work till age 60. There was good financial stability and a job stability in their career. And because the life expectancy was around 70 years approximate, so a person would work for almost like 40 years and would depend on their accumulated saving only for say next 10 years during the retirement or some next 15 years. But things have changed very much now. An individual generally starts late in the career, maybe around 23 years of age, 24 years of age. Because of high competition, a lot of people generally fall out of their jobs during the age say 50 to 60. So there is not much financial stability. And because the medical science has advanced so much that life expectancy has gone almost to 80 years. So if we look at the numbers again, in the modern world, a person is working for almost like 30 years and he is going to depend on the accumulated savings of these 30 years for next 25 years during the retirement. So this is strange phenomena which our previous generation has not seen, but we are going to witness it, and we should plan much in advance. It calls for aggressive savings at the earliest stage, but the problem is sadly that people start in for the retirement planning too late. Most of the people become serious when the goals are near, and retirement planning is one thing that I have seen that people start at the age of 40. By that time, the essence of compounding, the magic of compounding is lost. Because they start late, they are forced to take undue risk because the goals are high. But let us assume that you have worked hard, you have planned well, and you have accumulated sufficient corpus for your retirement. Is it all that is required? Actually, now it is the second inning of the cricket match that is starting for you. Let us assume that you retire today and you have got sufficient money in the kitty and you have planned it well, you have parked that money in the bank deposit and you are getting a interest income which is almost equivalent to your regular consumption, and you do not have to withdraw from your capital. But what happens 1 year down is that you see that interest rates have crashed. And when interest rates have crashed, the bank interest rates have gone down, and suddenly your income from your retirement kitty has gone down. You would be surprised that now that you are going to earn lesser income, but your expenses remain the same. So this creates deficit, and this will force you to withdraw from your capital. And this is something that causes erosion of capital in the long term, and in the future you may run out of your money if you do not plan well. Let's consider the opposite. Instead of falling off interest rates, the interest rates have actually risen. Now this has risen because the inflation has risen. If inflation has risen, we have seen rise in interest rate is not in commensuration with rise in inflation. So interest rate rise falls short of inflation, which means that your expenses would rise at a higher rate, but your income would rise at a lower rate, which will again create deficit, which is something which will again create a shortfall and will cause some kind of discomfort. Now this would lead you to take some kind of risk, because it is equity which can handle inflation the best. So you will get into the market, you will pick stocks, pick mutual funds, but what happens if you miss time? There is always a risk of missed timing. You bought something which is expensive at the wrong time and the market crashes, and there you are witnessing an erosion of capital suddenly. Now you may think that bank is not good, equity market is not good, maybe you should explore real estate and gold. But let me just tell you that both real estate and gold also goes through cycle, and you can miss that also, and that can also cause erosion. So where lies the solution? The solution lies in strategizing, keeping your plan flexible, having bucket strategies, having asset allocation strategies. I would say that if you are good at managing your money, yes, then manage your money. But if you are not, then you can consult a good financial advisor who is experienced in retirement planning.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.